Today, we're folding a cool origami paper gun using just one sheet of paper. Watch how simple folds turn a flat piece of paper into a creative paper design. Origami is all about precision, focus, and creativity, and this project is a fun way to challenge your folding skills. You can use different paper colors to give it your own unique style and make it stand out. Remember, this is just a paper craft made for fun, decoration, and creative display. Origami helps improve patience and hand coordination while keeping things exciting and hands-on. Try folding one yourself and see how amazing a single sheet of paper can become. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome origami and DIY paper craft ideas. Today, we're turning a simple sheet of paper into an awesome origami paper sword. With just a few powerful folds, watch this plain paper transform into a cool mini sword you can hold and display. Origami isn't just fun, it improves focus, patience, and creativity while challenging your folding skills. This paper sword is perfect for kids, beginners, and anyone who loves creative DIY crafts. You can even use different colors to design your own unique warrior blade. It's safe, simple, and super satisfying to make. Try folding one today and unleash your inner paper warrior. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing paper craft ideas every week. Today, let's create a beautiful origami paper umbrella using just one sheet of paper. Watch as simple folds transform flat paper into a cute miniature umbrella with a stylish top and tiny handle. Origami is not only fun, but it also improves focus, patience, and creativity. You can use colorful or patterned paper to make your umbrella look bright and unique. It's perfect for decoration, school projects, or even adding to your paper art collection. This easy DIY craft is great for beginners, kids, and anyone who loves creative paper designs. Try making your own paper umbrella today and enjoy the magic of folding. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing origami ideas.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the magic rubber band trick that you guys should learn. Just calm down, watch the video, like and subscribe. See you later.